Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a bank account on Stripe, step by step, in 2025. Whether you're setting up your payouts for the first time or updating your existing details, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get your payments working smoothly. Let's jump right in. First is open your Stripe account. After opening, on the right side, click on the balances. Next is click the Manage Payouts. Under it, click the Manage Bank Accounts. On the new page, select Add Bank Account. Now fill in some information needed and make sure it's correct to avoid mistakes. And that's it. You've now learned how to add your bank account on Stripe in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful Stripe and online payment guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.